Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in this video, I want to teach us how to convert your measurements. Now, I have had several requests from people asking me how do they convert measurements sent from UK, Canada, or USA, in the sense that these measurements, they are not taken in inches. They were taken either in meters or in other form or other formats, right? So some of these measurements are also taken in centimeters. So in this video, I want to teach us how to convert any measurement you have to inches. This is a simple approach and a simple method. You don't need to know maths before you do this. You don't need to be a good guru in sewing before you do this. As long as you have an Android phone, you can do this. So you will no longer panic or be scared of customers sending you measurements in centimeters or in meters. So whichever one they send, just tell them to send their measurements. Be bold to receive the measurements in any format they have sent. So as long as well the customer's measurement they sent is correct, like whatever be the unit they use in measuring, it also must be correct for them to be able to for you to be able to use this. And make sure that you tell them that these measurements they have sent must be you are going to hold them responsible or accountable for whatever be the fitting, right? So if they assure you that the measurement they gave you is correct, then you go ahead and change or and convert. So without wasting much of our time, let's now get down to the main conversion proper, right? So the first thing you need to know is that you will have a calculator. You must have a calculator, right? So you scroll down to wherever you have your calculator in your phone, which is here. Now, once you bring the calculator, your calculator will be in this format, right? This is a normal format. Then press on this ruler-like icon here. So if you press on it, as you can see the area, it has area conversion, it has length conversion, it has temperature, it has volume, it has mass, it has data, it has speed, it has time, it has tip. So whichever one, that's tip, it means percentage, right? So now, whichever one you want to do, you are the one that will go about it. So the one we need is the length, that we work with length. So now, assuming that your customer sent you measurements either in millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers, and feet, yards, miles, nautical miles, or mils, right? So these are the SI units for measurement in length. So any of the methods or any of the ways he sent you measurement on. So let's assume that they sent in centimeter, which is this, right? And you want to convert in inches. So you come here and type inches. You come here and type inches. You select inches. So now, as you can see, 1 centimeter gives us 0.39 inches, right? So if they had given us, let's say, um, 55 centimeter, that means the answer is 21 inches. Now, on this particular point, once you are converting and the value after the decimal place is above half, that's 0.5, you have to round up to the nearest whole number. What does this mean? 21.6 means 22, because you have to call the sixth one, put it, cross it over, it becomes 2. It becomes 22 for the inches, right? So that means 55 centimeters is approximately 22 inches in your measurement, right? So let's assume that they also gave us in meters, right? In meters. So now, if they gave you in meters, should not be up to this, right? So in meters should be around to around 0.5 or thereabout. That it should around 0.5. That if you're measuring in meters, it should be 0 point something because meters is so bigger than inches. So 0.5 meters is 19.6 inches. So in this case, this will be recorded as 20 inches approximately. Do you understand? Now let's get down to the other one. Let's do kilometers, right? But so now, in this case, 0.5 kilometers means 20 inches approximately, right? So now let's go further to feet. If they have sent in feet, right? So 0.5 feet means 6 inches. So now you can also go ahead by 1.0 or 1.5 feet means 18 inches. So this is the simplest way to convert your measurements without cracking your brain. Just key in the values and select the appropriate format which the measurements were given, and then select the appropriate format which you want to receive the conversion, right? So now if you want to check for yards, let's say let's assume that we don't know the value of 1 yard in inches. Let's press 1 and see what it will give us. You and I know that 1 yard is 36 inches. So let's confirm if this method is correct. So let's press 1. As you can see, right, 36 inches. So let us press 2 and see what it gives us. 36 times 2 is 72, right? So let's press 2 here, 72. So you can see the precision of this conversion rate is very, very exact. So if you are converting from yards to inches, you must select the yards as the first column and the inches for the second column, right? So now let's get down to the next one. Let's check miles. Now, if you are doing on miles, miles should be a little bit smaller, right? So let's say 0.05, right? 0.5, therefore 31,000 inches. So this is not what we want. So let's assume that you have 0.05 miles, right? So this is 3,162 inches. But you and I know that there's no how they will measure measurement in miles for the body measurement. So now the basic ones we should focus on is the millimeters and the centimeters and the meters as well. So these are the only thing I know we should focus on. So let's try meters once more. So you have 0.55 as 21 inches. So by using this method, you and I must have seen how easy it is to convert, right? So if you still want to convert from inches to the other way around, it's still the same thing. Say come here, select inches here, and then select the area you want to convert it to. So let's assume that we are trying to convert inches to yards. So let's pick yards. So let's just say 36 inches will give us 1 yard. This IN here means inches, while the YD here means what? Yards. So I believe with this video, you must have learned how to convert your length appropriately. So if you still have need to do the temperature conversion, both the volume, both the mass, both the data conversion, both speed, and both time, you can make do with this unit converter application. It is installed in your calculator already, right? So this is a Philocom calculator. You could download this as well from your Play Store, unit converter. Thanks guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Alright guys, so I believe you must have learned a lot from this video. So if you do enjoy the video, kindly give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and also invite your friends to join us on my YouTube channel. This is where we learn everything learnable, right? This thing must have been an issue to most people. They have issues with the rate of conversion of measurement. So this video, I think, solves almost all the problems you need on conversion of measurements. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also let me know how impactful this video is. If you derive value from this video, drop a heart emoji on the comment section of this video. Bye bye for now.